In this video, I will guide you through how to add email to your Roblox account. If this video helped you out, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Create a Roblox account normally. Now tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. Here, scroll down and go to Setting option. Then tap on Account Info. Now click on this Add Email option. Then enter your email address here. You can leave this box unchecked. Now tap on Add Email. An email has been sent to your Gmail for verification. Open your Gmail app. Here you will get this mail, Roblox email verification. Open this mail and click on Verify Email. The email has been added successfully. Now open Roblox and check is your email verified or not. And that's how you can add email to your Roblox account. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.